Only on Fox 4 News, a Collin County detention officer says he is being discriminated against because he is gay.
For nearly 3 months, Officer Derek Boyd said he's been subjected to ridicule and retaliation by several co-workers. Well, now he's hired an attorney and filed a lawsuit in an effort to save his job. Fox 4's Alex Foyer talked to Boyd's attorney about the allegations. Alex.
Heather, Clarice, 23-year-old Derek Boyd has only been with the Collin County Sheriff's Office since January of this year, but that's because he's also enrolled in college, earning a degree in criminal justice. He says his ultimate goal is to become a police officer and a sheriff's deputy, but now he says he's not so sure.
This was a dream job for him, if you will.
Attorney Kasey Krummel is speaking on behalf of her client, Collin County Detention Officer Derek Boyd, because she claims his employer, the Collin County Sheriff's Office, is unlawfully preventing Boyd from doing so himself.
Even though it's our position that all of their actions since his complaint have been unconstitutional, he is still adamantly adhering to their orders in an effort to maintain his employment with the Sheriff's Office.
In a 25-page lawsuit filed yesterday against Collin County and members of the Sheriff's Office, Boyd accuses his employer of discrimination and retaliation based on his sexual orientation.
There were some very grave concerns.
On March 19th, Boyd says 2 nurses who work with him at the jail referred to inmates as a homophobic slur and commented that they could not work with homosexuals. According to the complaint, Boyd told the nurses he was gay and that their words offended him. Boyd says one nurse stopped, but the other nurse did not.
Despite his complaints, he has still been in the same exact pod as the nurse who's continued to make those comments.
According to the suit, Boyd contacted the nurse's supervisor, but nothing changed. So Boyd filed a complaint with his immediate supervisor. Boyd claims that's when the retaliation began.
An investigation is being conducted against Officer Boyd based on the nurse's complaints that his allegations are untrue, yet no investigation has been conducted on behalf of Mr. Boyd's complaint that the nurses are acting discriminatorily.
In the lawsuit, Boyd says he fears for his safety, claiming colleagues intentionally disregard and ignore his calls. Boyd says he was asked to take a polygraph test in order to prove that he wasn't lying.
And I did contact the Collin County Sheriff's Office this afternoon. They tell me that they are aware of the lawsuit, but say that they cannot comment any further because this investigation is ongoing. I also contacted the attorney representing the Collin County Sheriff's Office in this case. I left a message for that attorney to call me back with his assistant, but as of tonight, Heather, have yet to hear back. Back to you.
All right, Alex, so what's next in all this?
So on Friday, basically both sides are going to go to court. His attorney has filed, Boyd's attorney has filed an emergency motion for a temporary restraining order. So that hearing is going to determine whether or not that will be granted. If a judge grants that emergency order, Boyd believes that then he can speak publicly about what his concerns are without any fear of being terminated. That's why he didn't speak with us today. It would also prevent him from having to take that polygraph test. Boyd tells me that he wants to stay with the Collin County Sheriff's Office, and his attorney says that he ultimately would like to be made an LGBT liaison with that department. Back to you.
Understood. All right, we'll keep following. Alex, thank you.